Based on WTA ethics panel rules, Alabama governor may have violated law. A state commission on Wednesday found that Alabama Gov Robert Bentley may have violated state ethics and campaign finance laws. The Alabama Ethics Commission had previously received 2 complaints alleging that the Luv Guv, as he's been dubbed by local media outlets and bloggers, misused state resources to facilitate his affair. Audio recordings from 2014 purportedly revealed that Bentley engaged in sexually explicit conversations with one of his former aides, Rebekah Mason, leading lawmakers to explore impeachment last year. The commission said it found probable cause to believe Bentley violated the Alabama Ethics Act and Fair Campaign Practices Act, which is the state's campaign finance law, after a year-long investigation. The commission referred the matter to the Montgomery County District Attorney's office. Officials interviewed more than 45 witnesses and analyzed 33,000 documents during the investigation. Intentional violations of the 2 acts are Class B felonies, which is punishable by a prison sentence of between 2 and 20 years for each violation. A fine of up to $20,000 could also be levied for each violation. Bentley's attorney William Bill Ciafanis reiterated Wednesday that the second-term governor maintains his innocence. Bentley has repeatedly said he won't resign. Ciafanis said they disagreed with the findings. It's important to keep in mind, this is simply a finding of probable cause. It's not a finding of a violation, Ciafanis said. Ciafanis said they don't believe there was a basis to find that Bentley violated any law, much less the Ethics Act or the Fair Campaign Practices Act, and so the battle goes on. He added, there is a great distance between probable cause and beyond a reasonable doubt. Both Bentley and Mason have denied having a physical affair. The governor and his wife divorced in 2016. Mason, who is married, also resigned last year. My only plans are to focus my full attention on my precious children and my husband, who I love dearly, she said in a statement issued by Bentley's office at the time. They are the most important people in my life. Thank you for your prayers for our family. The affair came to light when Bentley's wife of 50 years filed for divorce in September 2015. The tapes were made public by the Bentley family, according to AL.com, which published excerpts. AL.com reported that it was allowed to hear portions of the tapes by people close to the governor's family. They were recorded by family members as they tried to figure out whether the governor was having an affair. On one tape, Bentley could be heard saying, "When I stand behind you, and I put my arms around you, and I put my hands on your breasts, and I put my hands on intelligible, and just pull you real close. I love that, too." Based on Business Journal, Ethics Commission finds probable cause in Bentley ethics case, refers charges to the Alabama Ethics Commission on Wednesday voted to refer 4 ethics charges against Gov Robert Bentley to local prosecutors. The commission, after more than 9 hours of meeting, found probable cause Bentley violated state ethics and campaign finance laws. The commission heard from several witnesses, including former ALEA head Spencer Collier and state auditor Jim Zeigler. The charges were referred to the Montgomery County District Attorney. Specifically, the Ethics Commission found probable cause Bentley violated the Alabama Ethics Act and the Fair Campaign Practices Act. Both are Class B felonies that carry prison sentences of 2 to 20 years per violation, and up to a $20,000 fine per violation. The commission found probable cause Bentley violated the ethics law by using public resources for personal interest. The 3 other charges involved campaign finances, including receiving contributions outside of the legal time frame, using campaign funds to pay legal fees for former advisor Rebekah Mason, and improperly making a loan to his campaign account outside of the time frame allowed by law. Attorneys for Bentley said The governor will defend himself against any potential charges, and noted that the Ethics Commission's decision represented a finding of probable cause, and not a conviction, according to AL.com. The decision, which comes as Alabama lawmakers are weighing an impeachment of Bentley, is one of the first major steps taken by the Ethics Commission, since it originally fielded a formal complaint from Zeigler more than a year ago, initiating a formal legal investigation into Bentley's alleged misuse of state funds. Zeigler's complaint stemmed from allegations of Bentley's use state funds in the pursuit of an alleged extramarital relationship with Mason. Zeigler's complaint came after several lawmakers called for Bentley's resignation, after audio tapes were leaked that included Bentley making suggestive remarks to Mason. While admitting to making inappropriate comments, Bentley has denied a sexual affair with Mason and continues to maintain his innocence. Experts last year told the BBJ the commission's investigation would likely take the better part of a year. They also don't expect the scandal to have a substantial effect on economic development in the state. In addition to today's referral, the Alabama Attorney General's office is also conducting an investigation of its own. Attorney General Steve Marshall, a Bentley appointee, recused himself from that investigation. Based on San Francisco Chronicle, the latest ethics panel finds probable cause Gov broke law. Montgomery, ALEA, the latest on the Ethics Commission hearing on Gov Robert Bentley, all times local, 7:10 p.m. A state ethics panel has ruled that there is probable cause that Alabama Gov Robert Bentley violated state ethics and campaign finance law in a sexting scandal that has engulfed him for more than a year. The Alabama Ethics Commission voted Wednesday to refer the matter to the district attorney's office for possible prosecution. The 74-year-old governor has struggled to shake off a scandal after recordings surfaced last year of him making suggestive remarks to a female aide before his divorce. Bentley has admitted making personal mistakes but denied doing anything illegal or that would merit his removal from office. State Auditor Jim Zeigler filed an ethics complaint against Bentley accusing him of using state resources to pursue a relationship with the aide. The commission found probable cause that Bentley misused state resources and improperly accepting a campaign contribution and loan outside allowed fundraising windows. 8:18 a.m. The Alabama Ethics Commission could weigh in soon on whether there's reason to believe Gov Robert Bentley broke state law in a scandal that has engulfed him for a year. The commission is expected to go behind closed doors Wednesday to consider the matter. The 74-year-old governor admitted personal mistakes after recorded phone calls surfaced of him making sexually charged remarks to a female aide. However, he maintains he did nothing illegal. State Auditor Jim Zeigler filed an ethics complaint against Bentley accusing him of using state resources to pursue a relationship with the aide. The commission functions like a grand jury and will decide if there is probable cause that Bentley broke the ethics law. The commission could vote to refer the matter for possible prosecution.